Ever struggled turning messy text into proper dates in SQL Server? Today I show you the fastest way to convert and format data like a pro. So we're going to learn about conversion function. So basically conversion function, these are functions that they allow you to convert data from one data type to another. So these are some of the most commonly used conversion function. So we have cast, we have try cast, we have convert, we have try convert, and we have pass. So let's start with the cast. So cast basically, this is a function that converts a value from one data type to another data type. So cast help to convert a value of any data type into a specified data type. So for example, if you want to convert string, for example, you want to convert from string data type to string to integers, string to integer. So for this case, we're going to write select, and then cast, and then into bracket. So we want to convert, let's say this is the string, and we want to convert it into integer. Int, so we can call it as converted string. Converted string. So this one, you can see the we want to convert this string into integers. Therefore, we're going to use cast. So we're going to write cast and then the value or the expression, and then we want to convert it into int. Therefore, we can run this, and so we've successfully converted our successfully converted this string into integers. So also we can use cast to convert integers into string. So now let's convert from integers to string. And to write select cast, and then so let's integer be 123. So you want to convert this one as string. So the data type for string is varchar. So let's put the limit, let's say varchar 20. Then I call this one as converted integer. So if we run this, so you can see we've converted this one into string. Also we can use cast to convert from string to date format. String to date. So that means we're going to write select cast. So let's assume our date is in string formats 2025 08 20. And then we want to convert it as dates. So we can call this column as converted dates. So this is in form of string, so we want to convert it to as a date. So we're going to write select cast the string value and then we convert it as date. So if you run this, you can see we've converted our string, the date that was in form of that was in string data type, we've converted into date format. So I think we can proceed to, and then we have our second function, which is try cast. So try cast basically is the same as cast, but this one returns null instead of error if the conversion fails. So for example, if we are converting from one data type to another and the data type fails, the try cast will display will return nulls instead of error. So let's just use this to try cast. Try cast 123 as int and then converted, let's call it converted int and then just use the same just copy and then so let's use this one as a BC. So if we convert this one into integers, this one will work because 1, 2, 3, these are by nature they are integers. So we can convert this one into integers. But if you try to convert this value ABC is in string, naturally it is in string data type. Therefore, we cannot convert ABC to integers, right? So that means if we use try cast, it will bring some error. So let's run this one. So this one will work because we've converted this value into integers, and these values they are naturally into integers. But if we try to convert this into integers, these values cannot be integers. Therefore, if you run this one, you can see it pop-ups null. But if we run without try, you can see it will pop up error message, conversion, something like that. But if we use try cast, you can see it will return null instead of error. So I think that one is clear. And then let's have convert. So convert is the same, just the same as cast. So if you want to convert from integers to, if you want to convert integers to string, it's just the same it's function the same as cast. So let's just see by example. Select of this one, going to write convert. So we are converting into integer, and then the value. So the value that we are converting is 1, 2, 3, and then we write as converted int. So if you run this, it will just function as the same way as this one for cast. Copy, and then let's bring it here so that you can clearly see. So you can see this one is for the convert and this one is for the cast. So convert and cast, they just function function the same. So it's only that their mode of writing the query varies. So for example, convert, you can see is the function convert, and then you write the data type that you want to convert. So you write the data type, and then you write the value that you want to convert. So you want to convert this value into integer. So you write convert, and then the data type, and then the value. But for cast, you write the value, and then you write the data type. So you just only need to remember how they are placed in the SQL query, but generally they just function the same. They just kind of function the same. And then we have this one, try convert. Try convert is just the same way as the one for try cast. It's only that try convert just the same. They say it works the same as try cast. So try convert. So let's bring the one for try cast. Yeah, so they just work the same way. So you can see. So this one, try convert and try cast, they work the same way. of returning the null value in case the conversion fails. And then we have our final function, which is pass. So pass is used to pass a string into date or numeric value with specific culture formatting. It's majorly useful for regional dates formats. So this one I'll give you as assignment so that you can do more research about it. So let's meet in the next video. If you have find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, comment on the topic that you want to share, and let's meet in the next video.